Hello YouTube, Tech's back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix a desktop window manager. dwm.exe consumes high CPU or memory, so due to that your computer may slow. So to fix this problem, on this video we are going to see 5 solutions for all Windows operating system, Windows 10, Windows 11 and other Windows operating system. So the first solution for this video will be, we will start from the basic solution, changing the theme of your computer. So to change the theme on your computer, just right click on the desktop and you will find here personalize. So select here personalize, and under the personalize you will find here theme. So select the theme, and here you will find different kinds of theme. So select this one or any theme that you find here. So after selecting the theme, here the theme changes, then close your theme and restart your computer. So after the restart, if the problem is still occurring, then the second solution will be using the best performance of your computer. So to use the best performance, again click here the search icon and type advanced system setting. So here view advanced system setting on the list, so open that. So after you open, you will find under the advanced, you will find here settings. So click on the setting. So then you will find here adjust for best performance. So select one of the adjust for best performance. Then after you select that, here click apply. Then after you do that, then click here OK and close the system properties. And if the problem again it occurs, then the third solution will be updating the display driver. So select again here the search icon and type here device manager. Then you will find here the device manager, then open it. So after the device manager open, you will find here display adapter. So click here the arrow and you will find here the display adapter. So in my case it's Intel, in your case it may be different. So select that, right click on it and select update driver. Then click here search automatically for driver. So here the best driver for your device are already installed. So close this and close your device manager and check whether the problem still occurs or not. So if the problem still occurring again, the first solution would be disabling the window management service. So to disable the Windows management service, click here the search icon and type here services. So here the services, then open the services. So after that, scroll down to the bottom and find Windows management service, which would be on the bottom, which is W. So Windows management service, here the Windows management service. So right click on it and go to here properties. Then after that, if the startup type is manual or automatic, just click here the arrow and make it disabled and select here apply and select here OK. Then close your service section. Then if again the problem still occurring, the final solution for this video will be scanning for virus. So to scan for virus, again click here the search icon and type here Windows security. So here the Windows security, then open it. So after the Windows security opened, then you will find here virus and threat protection. So open the virus and threat protection. Then after that, you will find here scan options. So select the scan options and perform here. Different options are under the scan: quick, full, custom, and Microsoft Defender offline scan. So select the full scan and click scan. Then it will scan your computer from virus. And if there is a virus, so remove or delete or quarantine those viruses. So these are the solution to fix your desktop Windows Manager dwm.exe consuming a high CPU or memory. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just take out.